Hello viewers all over the world. My name is Alàgbà Olúṣẹ́gun Hussaini. A lot of people call me the Genesis. Alàgbà Olúṣẹ́gun Hussaini. I am the writer, researcher and publisher of the Genesis Isembaye, a journal that for more than almost 3 decades has been in the vanguard of publishing diverse historical antecedents of many Yoruba places. Well, with the coming of the modern day social media, a lot of well-wishers and lovers of the Genesis keep on asking, why don't you let us hear from you? Why don't you let us hear directly live on some of these histories that the Genesis had published over the years? Well, and I believe a lot of people, those who have come across copies of the Genesis or even met the Genesis himself, could have either want to ask 1 or 2 questions, maybe about what they've read in the Genesis, or possibly questions on areas the Genesis itself had never been able to cover. Be that as it may, in this introduction, which I want us to familiarize with ourselves, to meet Alàgbà Olúṣẹ́gun Hussaini for the first time live, I want to familiarize you with most of the things that you will likely be hearing. Of course, there's nothing one can do without giving praises to Olódùmarè. Olódùmarè ọba àjíkẹ́ ọba àjígẹ̀, ọba tẹ́nilẹ́gẹ́lẹ́gẹ́ forí ṣàpèjì omi, ọba àgbà tó jọba tẹ́nìkan ìrólé fún, àdìgún ọba aládé nìkan àṣọ. Ìbà Oòduà àtẹ̀wọ̀rọ̀ nífẹ̀ẹ́, ọlọ́fin àfihàn aláwọ̀ màlàmàlà. Oòduà òjìlóru kẹrìírí, òjìlówùrọ̀ bẹ́yẹ̀rìyẹ̀rì, agìgìrì ọ̀gán ẹ̀rù àdúgbò, òbánájà dínú òbóòrùn jàdó òòrùn. Ìbà Ọ̀rànmíyàn eléèpé ìwágun, ìbà Ọbàtálá ọba tóòṣà, ọba takuntakun lóde ìrànjẹ. Ìbà Ọ̀rúnmìlà bára agbọ́nrìnrìngún, òdodo ilé ayé òpìtàn lẹ́ẹ̀fẹ̀. Ọkùnrin kúkúrú òkè ìgẹ̀tì, ọmọ ọyán birikiti inú odò òkè tásẹ̀ lùdù tí dorí elémìrì atórí ẹni tí ò sún ọṣẹ. Ọ̀rúnmìlà Bọ́lájókòó ará òde Ìjẹ̀ṣà, Èrìmì lóde Ọ̀wọ̀, ará ilé Adó, ìbà gbogbo akọni nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Kí la fẹ́ kà? How many of them can one continue to recount? So many that had laid a very good example for generations. Many of them are not known. Máṣọ̀rin Ìbà Olúyọ̀lé, ọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ ń ṣẹ́fàyà tí a tó fi ṣẹ́ ogun rán. Olúyọ̀lé aníkanláyà bí ògìdán, bàbá àwọn Ìbàdàn. Ìbà Ògèdèngbé agbógungbòrò ilẹ̀ Ìjẹ̀ṣà, akọ ẹyinlá, aborí gbòǹgbò. Ìbà Adúlójú àgbègbò nìwọ̀ràn, adáná fúngun yẹn òmúlẹ̀ mẹ́rù. Adúlójú òmúlẹ̀ mẹ́rù ọmọdékùnrin Ìsábà. Gbogbo ayé pàtẹ ẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ́, Adúlójú pàtẹ ìbọn yanyanyan. These are brilliant and gallant warriors. Gallant warriors of yesteryears in the history of Europe. We are going to talk about them. Of course, so many. Go to Abeokuta, we have Lishabia Bungwakala. We go to Ijebu-Ode, we have Borongoluda, popularly known as Obanta. Of course, the history of Ijebu Kingdom is a very important aspect of African civilization. We are going to talk about who was Obanta. The alias was Obanta, the real name was Oborongoluda. We are going to talk about where did he originated from, what eventually happened to him, so many things. Having said that, I'm appealing to you, lovers of the Genesis, wherever you are. This is the beginning of a new dimension in relating the cultural history and traditional heritage of the Yoruba. We look forward to your assistance in different dimensions to sustain the continuous production and transmission of this live coverage. Once again, I am Alàgbà Olúṣẹ́gun Hussaini. writer, researcher, publisher, teacher, and a resource person on diverse cultural history of Yoruba people. You are welcome once again.